Hey you guys, what's going on? So this is my first time I'm gonna do this, but as you can see, it's my first time trying freckles, and I did a quick makeup video so you guys can see how to do Yardie makeup, you know, and put my Yardie colors on. And I thought this would be a cute little simple, you know, makeup video. I was just trying to see how I did it with freckles. Look, let me see if I can give you a close-up. There it is. So if you actually like this look, please continue to watch. Support your blouse and skirt gal, support your gal, and continue watching my guy, continue watching my G. Okay, work with like makeup wise, so we're just going to go into our palette right here, which is, I did this my Tarte's. As I said, I want green and yellow, and that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm going to use Innocent as my base color. Innocent as my base color. Can you see that? For me, I can see the damn thing, but because I can't see it on camera, we're gonna go with Whimsy. And we are going to use that for a base instead, since I can't see shit on camera. I'm hoping that you guys are not hearing my TV, because I thought I turned it down for a long time. So, oh yeah, let's go with Whimsy. Look at that. We're gonna go unibody color basically. So I am going to see if I can find a beautiful light green. Ooh, look at this green. That is Egypt from my Nebula palette from Juvier's Place. Oh my god, I can't speak today. So I want that green, however I want a lighter green. So let's go on first. Let me see if I can get my Carnival palette. Anyways, what I was saying, like, I was gonna go for my BH Cosmetic palette. However, I realized I don't have the Carnival palette. It's the damn Party Girl palette. That's what I mean. Green, because I said I want a green. So I'm going for this green and see how it looks. For the right number, please try again. Alright, so now I'm wetting the brush. Okay, better. Okay. Let me see if I can get a much denser brush, and I'm going in. Let me see how does this look. This is like a darker green, so I'm using this dark green right here in my BH Party Girl palette, and it's giving me something. So I'm gonna try to darken that, and I'm gonna use this dark ass green right here, right there, and darken up the inner corner, the outer corner. Why I keep on saying that? So once, still trying to make that darker, so I'm gonna go in with this one, this like dark brown, dark black one right here, and I'm just gonna put that more in the outer corner, and then I'm more trying to make a V here. can see the fallout. That's cool though. What we're going to do is we're going to take yellow, but we're not done yet. So I'm just going to take, since that was my brush, I'm going to take this and go back into my Yardie Pro palette and go back with Whimsy. A regular like flat brush like this, and we're going to go into that Nubian palette right here, that same Nubian, that same green that I wanted, that metallic looking green called Egypt. And we're gonna go and we're gonna first start off with the outer edges and then see how it looks. It is vibrant. Oh, and yeah, quality-ish. And then we're going to pat that in. A cut crease needs a moment of silence, just like your eyebrows, my dear. This yellow, because I already said I wanted this yellow. I wanted a yellow. I'm just gonna use that, and we're gonna set it for our cut crease. We're gonna clean that up. I look like a Jamaican girly. And get the green in here. What I'm doing is taking my Egypt and we're gonna use that. I hope that I can follow this along. Alrighty then, now since we are done, we're just gonna go and we're gonna take our concealers and we're going to clean this up. Okay, so now that I did my lashes, my lashes off camera, and I put on like a simple pink lipstick. Okay, better. I'm trying to get my hair with me. So as I said, if you actually enjoy this video, please give your girl a like, thumbs up, click subscribe. You know what you got the button there. Everybody already say it's free. True, them a talk, it's free. So just click that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.